starts looking functional, but it still doesn't feel premium. And here's why. Professional kitchens don't stop at base cabinets. They use vertical storage.
Go to Tall Cabinets, select No Handle Style again. Open Functional Cabinets. Choose the single drawer tall cabinet. Drag it into place. At first, you might notice missing doors or panels. Don't panic. Simply adjust the height and watch Coohom automatically generate the remaining components. This saves a huge amount of time. Now let's add double door tall cabinet, pull-out basket cabinet, and suddenly, the kitchen starts feeling custom-built instead of modular. But we're not finished. There's one appliance missing that completely changes the look. Let's build a dedicated refrigerator section. First, place another pull-out basket cabinet. Then go to Kitchen Appliances, Refrigerators. Now, choose a refrigerator that fits your layout. Don't just choose the biggest model. Choose one that actually works with your design. Drag it into place, adjust the position, balance the spacing. And now look at the kitchen. It's starting to feel like a real home, not just a collection of cabinets. If you're planning to upgrade your Coohom subscription, use my promo code homedesigner for up to 73% off Coohom Pro and HD Elite for an additional 10% off Elite plans. Links are in the description. Add a dishwasher. Many beginner kitchen layouts forget this step, but real kitchens need appliances integrated into the workflow.